is Jada. Welcome back to my channel. Starting off with today's look, I'm just going to be taking my facial moisturizer, and this is by the brand Lou, and I'm just going to be applying this all over my face just to moisturize and prime my face before I go in with foundation. Next, I'm just going to be taking my Baby Skin by Maybelline. This is the Instant Pore Eraser, which is just going to fill in my pores and make for a smooth foundation application. Next, I'm just going to be taking my NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation in the shade Mont Blanc just to set my eyes, and I've been doing this lately to prime for eyeshadow so that my eyes match my face and they're not way brighter than the rest of my face. And I'm just going in with my Beauty Blender Pro just to blend it all out and ensure that it is seamless. Next, I'm just going to be setting my eyelids with the Coty Airspun Translucent Loose Powder. The palette that I'm going to be going in today is the Shan XO The Remix palette by BH Cosmetics, and with this Scone blending brush, I'm going to take the transition shade called Buttercup, and I'm just going to blend this all throughout my crease. Once I have my transition all blended out, I'm going to be taking this deeper terracotta shade, and I'm just going to take this on the outer portion of my eye to deepen up the look. Next, I'm going to take this Luxie 249 brush, and with the more precise blending side, I'm going to take the same terracotta shade and buff it into the crease to deepen up the look even more. Now, taking the flat end of the brush in the same terracotta shade, I'm just going to pack this into my outer crease so that I can add some definition to the look. Next, I'm going to take my IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Under Eye Concealer in the shade Light, and I'm just going to take this on a flat brush to carve out my half-cut crease. Now taking this more precise flat brush, I'm going back into my Shan XO palette and I'm going to take the shade Holy Grail and pack that onto the center of my lid. Going back in with my NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation in the shade Mont Blanc, I'm just going to apply this all over my face and blend it with my Beauty Blender like normal. And now I'm going to go back in with my IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Under Eye in the shade Light and just put that on all the highlights of my face. So under my eyes, the bridge of my nose, my cupid's bow, my forehead, and my chin. Now to set my entire face, I'm going to be using my Coty Airspun Translucent Loose Face Powder and my Maybelline Superstay Better Skin Powder in the shade 20 Classic Ivory. Now for contour, I'm going in with this City Colors contour palette and I'm taking the middle shade, which is like the bronzer shade, and I'm just going to bronze up and contour my face. Now going in with my Luxie 239 Precision Shader Brush, I'm just going to take the same terracotta shade and smoke out my lower lash line for a more dramatic effect. Taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills Sun Dipped Glow Kit and the shade Moonstone, I'm just going to put this on the high points of my face where you normally highlight. I'm so sorry, my camera stopped recording right in the middle of my video, so the ending of this video is going to end without any lashes or liner. So if you want to know what lashes I do use the Ardell Wispies, but you could totally rock this look with any lash that you want. Lastly, I'm going to be going in with a lip product by NYX. It is the NYX Liquid Lip Lingerie in the shade Satin Ribbon. Sadly, this is the last step of this tutorial because my camera did decide to stop recording midway through my video. But if you did like this video, you can hit subscribe down below if you already haven't, and you can comment other looks that you want me to do down below. I hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye!